Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of me opening AliExpress Dollar Express deals. Let's get straight into it and see what we got this time. All right. First off, this one right here is a Bungie cord set. This one right here goes for, I believe, $2.19 for 20 pieces. $2.19 for 20 pieces. But I have to admit the reaction that I got. This is actually a lot smaller, at least the ball joint right here. It's a lot smaller than I expected compared to the last time that I ordered one. Let's see. If I can find a spot to open it. Yeah, there it is. Yes, it is a lot smaller, the ball right here, compared to what I ordered last time. Like I said, $2.19 for 20-piece set. I'm gonna look more into it and see what happened to my order. Maybe it was a mistake that on my part, but I'm gonna see if it's the right order item or the size that I got it for. All right. Next up is this one right here. I'm not gonna take it out because it's loose many pieces, but this one right here, I believe it is the either the 20 piece or 50 piece set. This is the power cable connector prongs or connector ends. I believe it's mixed in here. I'm not sure which one is which, but this one looks more like to be the 50 piece set for the narrow type connectors. I'm not sure what they are actually called, socket connectors. 179, 179, correct that. $1.79 for 50 piece set of the socket connectors for power cable. I believe I got it hopefully in the right size. It's 16 gauge, I believe. Next up is Carabiners, and surprisingly, my reaction to this, it's a pretty good size. Look at this. It's about, I believe, 3 inches. Good size twist lock carabiner. Of course, it's not meant for climbing or anything. It's just regular aluminum carabiners. This one right here, I believe I got a 6-pack for $2.99. $2.99 for a 6-pack carabiner set. So pretty cool. Okay, next up, this right here. I'm not gonna take it out of the bag, but this one is basically for the seat belt crevices for your car seat. It prevents anything from falling into the crevices. I believe I got these before, but I got them for a pair for $2.37. $2.37 for this type of crevices chair. Storage bin, whatever you want to call it, but yeah, you can see right there. Next up is this one right here. I'm not gonna take it out of the bag. This one is basically for washing. It's a washing bag that's washable. This one right here is 30 by 40 centimeters mesh. I got it for $1.39. $1.39 for a washing bag, or yeah, something like that. But I got it in a smaller size compared to the previous size that I got before. It's large. It's for jackets and stuff. This one right here is for smaller items or single shirts. Next up, this one right here is basically a heavy duty cargo strap for carrying like jumper cables or what those garden hose or anything. But as you can see, it's basically a bungee. You wrap around like this, loop it up, and then you carry, you're able to carry it. But pretty neat. $1.19 for this. $1.19. That's what I'm gonna use it to wrap around my jumper cables. I believe I got a 4 gauge jumper cable system, so this is good to wrap around and carry it around. Next up is all right. Basically, this is a 3-piece antenna set. I did get this previously before, and what's I like about them, I don't think I was able to show it last time, but I'll show it this time. Basically, this antenna for my Baofeng radios is SMA. I believe this is female, SMA female. And like I said, the reason I like about them is, as you can see, it's about 5 to 6 inches, I believe, but then it also extends. There you go. Basically telescopic antenna, and extends the range more. I believe it starts from like I said, it's about 6 inches, and it extends 3 times that much to about 18 inches. So pretty cool. Telescopic antenna for my Baofeng radios. I got 3 of them. I believe that is the 3-piece set one I got for $3.59. $3.59 for a 3-piece telescopic antenna for my Baofeng radios. Okay. Next up, this one right here. This one right here is the basically the LED, the red LED alarm, or fake alarm that you can just put and shows that for potential thieves that your car has an alarm on it. This, I had gotten this before, but for this one right here, I got a 2-piece set for $2.19. $2.19. Let's see if we can show the type of light that it flashes. There it goes. This right here has a solar cell on it, so it is rechargeable by light, at least from that's what their description says. But it also has a micro USB charging port right here, so just in case if it doesn't charge fast enough or anything, you could just plug in the USB, micro USB. But here it is. There you go. Just simple flashing red. Is brighter at night, and conspicuous that you could put it anywhere in your vehicle where you'll be able to see the light flashing. So pretty simple. Like I said, $2.19 for a 2-piece set. All right, next up, I believe this is a lot, or actually one more in there. And let me double check the bag, make sure that's it. All right. This item right here is pretty simple card holder or card protector. The reason I got it is to put my social security card in there, and it's supposed to be thin enough and slim enough to be able to, put it away in your wallet. You could put other cards in there, driver license or anything. So I'll test it out. But this one right here, I believe I got a 8-piece set for 99 cents. 8-piece set card protector. But like I said, originally it's meant for social security card protector. But you could fit other types of cards in here. So pretty, useful. Next up, last item I believe this is the other connector item. It is the yeah, the double prong, or like I said, I don't know the name of this, but it's also another cable socket setup. It's 20-piece set for $1.39. $1.39 for a 20-piece set, and I believe it is for the 14 to 16 gauge, so it'll work for what I'm gonna be using it for. All right. Okay, let's try to see if we could put everything in display. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. Till next time. Peace.